And now we are going to talk about the creative charts that my aim to put this episode is that I will show you some charts that they are not created by the charts of PowerPoint, and they are created by pictures and simple materials. Even they are made with paper, which creates a creative charts and create a creative presentation of statistic that the presentation will remain in the audience mind. And actually I want to point out to make creative chart with the charts here. And in the continuation and in this video we have the teaching of making these charts with the PowerPoint. Now, when I click on this green part of the tree, as you see, it is a real bar chart. If you have a right click on it, it has edit data in Excel that you can also change your data here. So, how I made it? I select all parts of one chart, copy and paste it in a new slide. And let's see what are the parts of this chart. These are two simple texts that shows the title and percentage of the filling rate of the chart. See, this is a simple bar chart and this is a simple shape of PowerPoint. It's a simple rectangle. I zoom out and this is a simple rectangle with a human icon that is cut. As you see, it is empty. Now I change the color of the slide that become easy to see. That we have done. So we have a simple rectangle shape and this is a simple rectangle that a human is reduced from that, and this is a simple bar chart. Now, how we made it? This is a simple bar chart that is added from insert and chart. Let's see the procedure from the beginning. Insert, chart and a simple bar chart that is added, and by default it has 4 categories and 3 series. I want just 1 category and 1 series. I drag and pull the blue part to have a series and 1 category. Then I use the plus icon to open the chart element menu. Then I remove all ticks for all parts. That all the components are deleted from the chart and the simple bar chart like this we created. So it was all about the bar chart that we put it here. How did I make it? If you be connected to the internet from insert section and icon option, you search the word man and it gives you a man icon. You insert it in this way, and from the format section, you click on the convert to shape, that this icon of man converted into a shape. Then from insert and shape section, draw a simple rectangle shape. Then have a right click on it and select send to back option. Then have a right click on the man icon and remove the group from it. And why you should do that? Because when it is in the group mode and you select it, I press the Ctrl Z. Now the man is grouped. I select it and hold the Shift key and select the rectangle. Now if I want to use merge shape options from the format menu, as you see, this menu is inactive because the man is grouped. You should select the man and have a right click on it and select the ungroup icon, or press the Ctrl Shift G. Now all parts and this man is selected. I hold the Shift key and select the rectangle shape. Now the merge shape options are active for me. Then I select the combine option. As you see, the man icon is deleted from the rectangle. By this way I made it. And then the reason of putting this rectangle here is that it shows the emptiness of the shape, that I change the color of the slide to white. And the other tip that you should pay attention is that this chart should be between the gray shape and the other shape. To do this, you can get help from selection pen from home tab. This is a rectangle 1 and the other that has the man is freeform 6. As you see, chart is between these two. This is the trip, and now you can select the rectangle and the man shape and align them to be on each other. Then you regulate the chart here. In this way, you can present your bar chart in a different way. I did the same for tree, and instead of man shape, I used the tree shape.